Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? I'm so happy and appreciate you guys for coming back. Thank you guys so much. So today guys, I'll be doing another reaction video to the group K-Clique, and this is the music video to their song Merais, M-E-R-A-I-S. Hope I'm pronouncing it right, but someone sent me the video and I was like, let me go react to this. Come on, visual, giving us a story. Okay, with the auto-tune effects.
Merais, perlu ice. Kami hit the band. K-Express, bukan stereotype. Ini case, kami hit the band. Merais, ku kumpul semula. Perlu ice. Kami hit the band. K-Express, bukan stereotype.
Okay.
Ini case, kami hit the band. Kami merais, kau pula meraihkan. Rolling dice, ku tak kisah apa ancaman.
It is so crazy how music has changed for every genre. Okay. Terlalu gila mengejar bintang di alam semesta. Aku menggali mencari hasil untuk keluarga. Raja di penghalang bukan kasih boleh tolong. Pecutan statik menaik ke atas. Harus bahaya antara siapa boleh dapat cantas. Pergerakan pantas, gerak tempur dari bawah tiada pintas. Rendah ke bawah impian ku terbang ke atas. Kesan lepas tak boleh wiyah. Menaik ke atas takkan ku lepas selagi bernafas. Kota ku lafaz kerja ku keras insyaAllah. Oh, he's cute. Who's that?
Bukti dari bermimpi. Derajat ku tinggi sampai mati aku daki. Through the flock of flow.
Come on, Joker.
Bagi kejutan elektro hingga paralyzed to stop static. Enemy spot ku execute but it gets sliced. Silakan baris.
I like the beat. I really do like the beat.
Ku bawa hit burst bazooka. Saya ada bomb inside lyrical assassin. Pembunuh bersiri ku di level undefeated. Ku defeated when I'm a skill I'm all in. Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay.
Pandu laju did I go bad.
He is channeling. He was channeling that Joker aesthetic. I like that. Okay.
Stereotyping so Malaya kept the lago. Give me that, my 63 flow for terrorize them. Kombinasi tengok sini testimoni evolusi kisi kasih paralyze them.
Come on, K-Clique.
Ku kumpul semula. Perlu ice. Kami hit the band. K-Express, bukan stereotype. Ini case, kami hit the band.
Straight up, ini fakta bukan auta. Ini klik bukan one hit wonder. Dengan tata dalam kota jaga takhta. Guna minda jangan cuba kami OD dengan fakta.
I'm getting such a the Eastern part, you know, the American hip hop influence is like I'm getting like California, Atlanta, New York vibes from this video.
Bertahun hasil tanpa melanjong. Sekarang kota di kami dukok. Siapa kosong?
I do like the new edit, and it's like all the music videos nowadays is like LED lights and different color variations in the background. I do really like it. So we're going back to like the 1970s, 80s, and 1990s. Everything is so color popping, but modern with LED lights and stuff. So.
Masih bawa tanah. Siapa bilang kita tinggal lupakan sejarah lama? Bagaimanapun bencana tetap rencana yang sama.
Ayo. Hold on.
No, I'm hungry.
Maklumat, mana maklumat? Berapa kerat apa syarat untuk jerat lumat? Kalau nasihat, ambil nasihat. Takut berlamat kau tamat mati bertempat. Berluang ambil peluang. Ku luang masa kau buang. Berangan perang. Dalam medan ku serang tanpa pedang.
Definisi untuk ego. Mementingkan diri. Masa untuk kegembara. Aku kan pergi dengan hati Hati yang membara semangat terjatuh ku kumpul semula takkan berhenti gerhana melanda biasa paling jadi
Hey, hey. Oh, that was clean. Hey, hey.
Ku tidak kau sekat dan jangan bilang ku yang sabar. Semua mau tepat kami panggil kami revolusi. Ku merais, ku kumpul semua.
Oh my god, he reminded me. He reminded of my friend who just passed away. May he rest in peace. Nah. Okay, K-Clique. I'm here for K-Clique fans out there. I want to say I really do appreciate the ones who recommend me to react to this group, K-Clique. I really do like this music video. I've said it over and before with the first few videos I react to from them. I really do like their rap style. I really do like this group. I'm surprised I'm surprised they're not so much big on the social charts like BTS and the girls, BTS and Blackpink and SB19. I'm surprised I'm not seeing this group on the list. If they are, I probably didn't notice, but I think this group could do a very good crossover here into the American market. So I want to say thanks to the one who gave me this recommendation to react to this group. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.